Yes. So everyone have understood what we have done till today. Yes. So the KT sessions on KT sessions on CRM, and then how to explain the project, how to give the self introduction part. Yes. Everyone clear with this? And then yesterday also we have discussed some interview questions and along with cleared some doubts. So I hope everyone was fine till here. Yes. So anyone have any other doubts? Let me know. Another, I'll give you another 5-10 minutes. If you have any doubts, let me know so that we can proceed for the next topic. Good morning, Vishnu. Good morning. Yes. How to write functional test case? Yo, because I've showed you know already. Oh, how to execute? Okay, how to execute this particular test case? I'll show you. Just look it out here. Okay. So now in build one, did I take this functional test case? Yes. Yes. Now I want to execute this functional test case. So wherein I have different text fields. Okay. So enter six alphabets, five alphabets, seven alphabets, 120, 121. So all those things are there. Now I'll click on add result. I'll click on add result. I'll click on add result. Shubhra, yesterday I just had a doubt clearing session. Yesterday I didn't take any new topic. Yes. So now I'll give to whom it is assigned and then version, build version number and elapsed. I have to start the timer. So the timer has been started. First step, what I will do, I'll open that particular page where this particular this thing by following the steps, what it is there is these things. And by using this particular test data, I'll go to this, I'll navigate to this particular page where I have campaign name text field and I'll open this. Okay, they're asking me to enter six alphabets. Now I'll take this input. I'll take this input. I'll enter it. Okay. I'll enter it into. I'll enter it into what is this text field. If it is accepting, yes, then I'll give it is accepted. It is accepted, and the result will be passed. Result will be passed. Or else I'll go to five alphabets. They're asking me to enter five alphabets, and they're telling it should reject. After entering into five, if I click on save, it is rejected. It is rejected. Now I'll give the status as passed. See, it is rejected means never ever give. Oh, it is rejected. No, that is why it is failed. No. Compare with expected result. It should reject. Yes, it is rejected. That means expected result as well as actual result are matching. That is why it is passed. Understood? Yes. Everyone clear with this? Yes. Guys, I'm audible. Reply no, so that I can get to know whether you have understood or not. Something I'll get to know. Yes. So then we'll be executing all other test cases also in the same manner, all the other steps wherein I'll be entering this particular input into the text field. If it is accepting, I'll give the it is accepted, and then I'll check with an expected result. If it is matching, it will be passed, or else it is failed. And last, I'll click on add result. So result will be added. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes, Jyoti. Yes, Jyoti. So everyone clear with this? Vikas, give the radio button name and give it as what is this? Vikas. Just give the name of the radio button and give it as true or false. If it is true, you need to select that radio button, click on that radio button. If it is false, no need of clicking. Another radio button, what you have, another option. Let us example gender you have. Okay. So in gender, what is this? We have male and female. So just what I wanted to do is take male as a what is this primary key. So then just male. If it is male is like if that candidate is male, male true. If it is female, then male is false. Okay. So in that manner you can mention. And then tell master record. What is this? There you have no record one true or else record two false. Okay. Because yes, we have to select anyone. That is the reason. If I'm selecting record one, I'm telling record one is true. If I'm selecting record two, then record one will be false only, no? Yes. So everyone observe that this thing I'll be executing one test case. Everyone please observe. Everyone please observe. Yes. So leave whatever work you are doing, just observe the screen. Everyone please observe the screen. Now I want to execute one particular test case. This particular test case I want to execute. Okay, I want to execute this particular test case. So now here I have so many steps and it is related to campaign name, which is create campaign page. That means here after creating the campaign, I'm checking the data flow. After creating a campaign, what I'm doing, I'm checking the data flow. I'm checking the data flow. Yes. So now how to execute this? Listen everyone, execution will always be done in the part of parallel thing. That means here I need to open my test cases. Here I need to open my software and then I'll be executing by look into this test case, execute, look into this test case, execute, look into this test case, execute. Understood? Understood? In middle, I have found some defects. Then what you will do? You will be opening your defect tracking tool, which is Jira, and you will be logging the defect immediately. You'll be logging the defect immediately. Understood? Understood, everyone? Yes. So here the test cases are there. I'll open the test cases, execute a report. So here what happened? The test cases I have here. I have my test cases, which is test trail. Now what I will do, I have written some test cases. I'll open the software. I'll start executing the test cases on the software. So while executing 100%, I'll find the defects. Now I'll report the defects in Jira. Now I'll report the defects in Jira. Mine just now started, no issues. Understood everyone clear? Yes. So I have to do everything parallelly. I have to do everything parallelly. Okay. Everyone understood that? Yes. Yes, Reshma. We'll be executing test cases. No. Then who will execute? Yes. So now I want to execute this test case. I'll click on add result. I'll click on add result. Now assign to. So I'll give it my name, version number I'll give, and then elapsed. I'll start with the timer, and then I'll just scroll down. So here they're asking me to open browser, enter URL, and they have given me URL also. But by default, as I open this VMware, it will ask me. It will open the browser. It will enter the URL also. Yes. Yes. Okay, by default it is taking the URL. Now, according to expected result, which page should be displayed? According to expected result, which page should be displayed? Login page should be displayed. Yes, which page is displaying? Which page is displaying? Login page is displaying. So now I'll enter the actual result. Now enter the actual result. Login page is displayed. Login page is displayed. Understood everyone? Understood? Everyone understood that? Yes. Yes. Now My expected result and actual result are matching. What is my status? What is my status? Expected result and actual result are matching. Yes, it is passed. It is passed. Next, I'll go to the next step. So, what is the next step here? Enter username and password and click on login button. Okay, super. I'll go back to VMware. So, they're asking me to enter what? Username. But what is displaying here? What is displaying here? What is displaying here? Login name. Tell me both are matching or not. Does this both are matching? No. Can I tell it as a defect? Can I tell it as a defect? Yes, 100%. Why? Because it is not matching with the action what I am doing here. That fellow who has written this test case is telling me to enter username, but it is displaying login name. So it is one of the defect what we have. Understood? But because of this defect, tell me, can I proceed further or not? Can I proceed further for the testing or not? Yes, 100% I can proceed. Now what I will do, I'll go back here and enter the actual result. Okay, observe everyone what I'm doing here. First, I will give login name is displayed instead of username. So instead of username, login name can be, sorry, it is displaying. It is displaying. Next. Okay. If it is displaying login as a name also, still I can enter the username and I can enter the password also and click on which button? Click on which button? Click on which button? Login button. Click on which button? Login button. But which button is displaying here? Which button is displaying here? Sign in button. One more defect. One more defect. Yes or no? Yes or no? One more defect I got. So yes, I'll go back here. I'll go back here. Yes, next step, next second, one more I have observed. What I have observed, login, sorry, sign in button is displayed instead of login button. Instead of login button. Okay, so what happened here? Instead of sign in button, it is displaying what? Login button. Login button. Next up. Next up. Okay, I'll click on sign in. I'll click on sign in. I'll click on sign in. So when I click on this sign in, when I click on this sign in, yes, which page should be displayed? Which page is displaying? Which page is displaying? Yes, home page is displayed. Yes, now again I'll go back to test trial, and the next, the most what is this required actual result what I've observed is home page is displayed. Home page is displayed. Okay, super. Home page is displayed. Yes. Now, now the main problem is, here. What is the expected result? What is the expected result? What is the expected result? Suraj, I'll update now. Just check. What is the expected result? Home page should be displayed. What is actual result here? Which page is displaying? Which page is displaying? Home page. That whenever my expected result and actual result are matching, what is my status? What is my status? Past. But in this particular action, we have found some defects. In this particular action, we have found some defects. Yes or no? Yes. Now I will give it as a retest. Now I'll give it as what? Retest. Understood? Yes. But overall status, I'll give it as paid. Understood? Why? Because overall status only we can identify easily. Yes or no? Yes or no? So that I'll tell to the developer that this particular thing you have to fix. Why? Because it is displaying login name instead of username. It is displaying login button instead of which button? what's this sign in button. Okay, so this is how it is displaying. I will retest it, but this particular test case is failed. Why? Because the action is not matching. Expected result is matching, but the action is not matching. Understood? Yeah, Divya, you can, Divya. Everyone clear with that? Yes. Abhilasha, see here my expected result is matching with my actual result, which is homepage should be displayed. Yes, 100% it is correct. But here what I'm doing is my action is not matching. So for my identification, I'm giving it as retest, but overall test case is failed. Okay, overall test case will be failed. Why? Because action is not matching. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear that particular step? Yes. So what happened here? For my easy identification, I'm giving it as a retest for that particular step. But if I have to talk correctly or in the reality matter, the overall test case will be failed. Why? Because action is not matching. Yes, action is not matching. Now, in this case, what is my expected result? 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 Home page should be displayed. Home page should be displayed. And what is the actual result over here? What is the actual result is here? Home page is displayed. Home page should be displayed. Home page is displayed. That means, can I proceed for the next step or not? Can I proceed for the next step or not? Can I proceed for next step? But you should not proceed. But you should not proceed. Why, sir? Why? Because first of all, you need to log this defect. You need to report this defect. Then you should go for another step. Then only you should go for next step. Understood? Understood? So first of all, I have found the defect. I know it is a defect. So, but it is not blocker. It is not blocker. Okay. So then I can go for next step. But you should not go until you report the defect. Until you report the defect. Why? Because let us assume here I have only 6 or 7 steps. So it is very, very easy to remember. What if you have 50, 60 steps? What if you can you remember the defect which you have found in second step or third step? We'll forget, 100% will forget. That is the reason whenever you found the defect, you have to log the defect immediately. If it is a minor defect also, you have to log. Why? Minor defect will not count, Jyoti. Obviously, minor defect also is a defect only, no? Yes, we can continue. I'm not telling about we cannot continue. We can continue, but you should not continue. Why? Means you have to report the defect first. Then you can continue. First, you need to report the defect. Once you have reported the defect, you can continue. No issues with that. Okay? Yes. So main thing is reporting the defect is very, very, very important. Okay? Yes. Do we need to wait until it fixed? No, not required. Why we have to wait? See, finding defects is our what is this duty. Fixing and all, it depends upon developer. We should force him to fix, but you should not wait for the testing. Once the reporting is done, you can continue with the testing. Okay. Yes, regardless of severity, priority, it doesn't matter. You have to report the defect immediately. Whether it is a blocker defect also, whether it is minor also, critical also, major also, you have to report the defect immediately. Okay. So now, when I found the defect, yes, where can I report the defect? Where can I report the defect? Yes, I'll pause the timer. I'll pause the timer. Yes, where can I report the defect? Zira. Where can I report the defect? Zira, which is defect tracking tool. Should we go for the next step? Anita, that is what I'm telling. We should not go for the next step. Report the defect first. Report the defect first. Okay. Yes. Neeraj, no. Test case review process you have already learned in manual testing classes. No. Some topics will not be changed from implementation to theory part. So that process, what you have learned, the same process will be there here. Neeraj Sharma. Okay. Yes. Rajiv. So this timer will tell you how much efficient you are in executions. How much time you have taken for the size of, depends upon size of the test case, it will tell you. Okay. Yes. So now I'll go to Jira I'll go to Jira. This here. So now why I came to Jira means while doing execution, I have found, okay, what is this? I have found a defect. That is the reason I'm going to Jira. So this Jira, I'm going to log the defects in this application. I'm going to log the defects. Understood? Yes. Mayank, still I didn't share the credentials of Jira. Just now I've opened Jira. Yes. So everyone clear with this? Everyone clear with this? Yes. So now you got to know why this particular Jira application came into picture. Yes. 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 So what are the things that we are going to do in Jira? So guys, listen everyone. What are the things we are going to do in the Jira? First one is search for duplicates. What's the first one? Searching for duplicates. Next, second one. So here, normal search also we'll be doing. Next, we'll be doing for advanced search. Okay, we'll be going for advanced search. Okay, next, I'm going to report or else create a bug. Okay, report a bug, or I'm going to create a bug in Jira. And the next one, what we are going to do is I'm going to track defect. I'm going to track that defect. Understood? Understood, everyone? Yes. Yes. So I'm going to search for duplicates. Once it is done, I'm going to report and create the defect, and then I'm going to track the defect. I'm going to track the defect. Understood? Everyone? Yes. So these are the three things that what we are going to do it in Jira. These are the things that what we are going to do in Jira. Understood? Yes. So the first thing what we are going to do is searching for duplicates. What is this search for duplicates and why I need to search for duplicates? Yes. Tell me why we need to search for duplicates. Why we need to search for duplicates? Reduce the defect counter. No. Yes. No. Yes. Why we are searching for duplicates means to avoid duplicate status. A simple one line answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So why we are searching for duplicates? To avoid duplicate status. So in manual testing classes in defect, what is this life cycle? You have learned a duplicate status? Yes. Have you learned a duplicate status called as duplicate status? Yes. Yes. What do you mean by duplicate status? What do you mean by duplicate status? Anyone come up and speak, come up and speak, no issues. Yes, Reshma.
Yeah, same defect tracked by a different test engineer, or
Sorry.
yeah, found by different test
I'm not
engineer.
asking what is duplicate defect. I'm asking what is duplicate status.
Yeah, in this defect will we have same defect.
No, that's not exact answer, Reshma.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Priya.
Yes, sir. When we report a like a bug which is already reported by some other test engineer, then when it goes to the developers, they will reject the defect track like a defect by saying it is a duplicate.
Yes. Reshma, now you got to know you need to give the full complete answer, Reshma. Okay. So yes, whatever you have solved, yes, already it's a reported bug, what we have reported. But here, so why it is this duplicate status? Now what I will do, I'll report a defect. I'll report a defect. Okay, I'll find one defect, I'll report the defect. And when developer sees that defect, when developer sees that defect, he will tell this defect is duplicate. That means already some other test engineer has logged the same defect. Okay, already some other test engineer has logged the defect. Now again I am logging it, so that is the reason I have got this duplicate status. Understood? Yes. Now, how can I avoid this duplicate status by searching for duplicates in Jira? Then how to search these duplicates in Jira? How to search these duplicates in Jira? Everyone observe. Yes. Can you see here search tab over here? Can you see search tab over here? I'll give you credentials. First, see how to use it. Yes. Now, first thing I have to search with is two options are there. You can search with two things. First one is keywords. First one is keywords. Priya, please mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Second one. Second one is first one is keywords, and second one what we can search with is defect ID. Defect ID. Understood? So yes. So we can search with two things. First one is keywords. Second one is defect ID. So I'll explain you about how to search with keywords. First, we will see what is this defect ID. Guys, tell me, if I know any defect ID, don't you think that I also know what is the defect is about? Yes. If I know this defect ID, 100% I know what is the defect is also. Why? Because I know the defect ID. So defect ID is obviously confidential one. Yes or no? Which will be limited only for the particular test engineer or else the particular developer who is assigned to or else particular team. So 99% of cases, 99% of cases, if you know defect ID 100%, you will know what is the defect is about. What is the defect? What is the main reason for logging the defect? So maximum of the cases when you are searching for this duplicates will be going with what? Keywords. Understood? So whenever we found the defects, we need to search for keywords. Now, what is the defect we have found? What is the defect we have found? What is the defect we have found? Yes. Yes. In login page, login name text field is displayed instead of username text field. Yes. So this is a defect what we have found. This is a defect what we have found. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Now this particular login page, login name, username will be the keywords. It will be the keywords. Understood? Understood? These are the keywords. Keywords. Everyone clear with this? Everyone understand what is the keywords? Yes. Now, or else. One more. I'll tell you. One more. I'll tell you one defect, one assumption defect. I'll tell you. Tell me what are the keywords. What are the keywords? Yes. So when user clicks on login button, blank page is displayed instead of home page. Yes, tell me what are the keywords here. Tell me what are the keywords. I want to reply from everyone. Yes, fantastic. Very good. So here I can tell the keywords as login button, blank page, and home page are the keywords. Now you understand what are the keywords. Now we got to know what do you mean by keyword. Yes, everyone. I want reply from everyone. Everyone should reply. I'm not teaching for one or two candidates. So all the people who are in the session, I'll teaching for everyone. Yes. So everyone got to know now what are the keywords. What do you mean by keywords? Yes, fantastic. Now what I'll do, I'll just go back to Jira. I'll go back to Jira. Now I'll click on this search. Now what are the keywords we have identified? Now what are the keywords we have identified? What are the keywords? Yes. Now the keywords I have identified is login page, login page, login name, login page, login name, nothing is there. Next, one more we will search login name. Anything is there? Login name, login name, login name is not there. Username, login name and username. So message is not delivered to the patient. Now when doctor tries to add the time, admin created agent, but nothing is there. Okay, something is there. Login button, login page should be displayed. No, it is not related. Now tell me, if I see here, am I getting anything defect that which is related to this defect what we have got? Anything is there? Not there. But remember, you should not confirm. Okay, you should not confirm. Fourth one, huh? Yes, correct. Very good, very good. Who is that? Divya, very good. Okay, yes, very good, Rajiv. So now we here something is there. In place of login name, it is showing username. Okay, we'll see this defect. What is it? I'll just click on it. I'll just click on it. Now I'll just scroll down. Why it is taking 2 minutes? Yes. Now I'll scroll down. Now here it is telling what? In the place of login name, it is showing the username. Description, yes, expected result, home page is displayed, actual result, blank page is displaying. See here everyone. So here this fellow, third class fellow, someone, yes, he has given what is this particular testing sir, what he has done, this fellow here, he has given in place of login name user, it is showing username, but what he has given expected result, home page should be displayed. That is wrong, no? And blank page is displaying. His description is different, its summary is different, its actual result and expected result is different. So this is not valid defect. This is not valid defect. Understood? Why? Because here summary is different, expected result is different, actual result is different. Understood? Yes. Now, no need of taking this defect into consideration. No need of taking this defect into consideration. Now we'll search for one more. Anything is there or not? Yes. Nothing except one. Nothing is there. So now what I will do? Can you see our filters here? Can you see your filters here? Rajendra, I'll talk that. Wait. Yes. Just click on the filters. Wherein you will be redirected. You will be redirected to this particular page. Yes. Here, just click on filters again. Just click on all issues. Yes. So can you see all issues over here? Okay. So when you search here, you are not getting anything. You are not getting any defect related to you. Then you should not confirm. Okay, there is no defect. I log the defect immediately. No, you should not confirm. Then we need to do something called as. I hope everyone heard about this in your manual classes. Advanced search. Yes. Have you heard about this advanced search? Yes. What is this advanced search? What is this advanced search? So I'll be searching this defect by applying filters. I'll be applying what? Filters. I'll be searching by this thing called filters. Now in Amazon application or Flipkart application, when you are searching for product, first what you will do, I'll search for a shirt. I'll get so many options. Yes or no? I'll get so many options. Sometimes I may not like the color. Sometimes size is not fitting for me. Sometimes cost is more. Sometimes it is not branded. Yes or no? Sometimes reviews are not good. Correct. Then what we will do? We will apply filter. Apply based on size. I want XL, or else I want double XL. I want S. I want M. I'll apply size. Next color I'll apply. Obviously boys will take black. Yes or no? We love black, so we'll take the black. Next, we'll take the not price. Who is that? Ramkala, it is price. Price I'll apply. So I'll apply from 500 to 1000 rupees. Okay, I'll apply this filter. Yes or no? Correct. So this is how you are applying filters. Then what happened? Initially, I got 1000 products. When I apply this, I'll get only 250 products. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now choosing from 1000 is difficult, or 250 is difficult. Which is easy? Choosing from 1000 is easy or is 250 is easy? 250 is easy, correct? So here also I have so many defects. I cannot read all the defects. Then what I will do? I'll apply these filters. Here we have size, here we have color, here we have price. Filters. What are the filters we have here? Here we have filters like project, status. Okay, so these are the filters what we have. Project type, what type of defect it is, bug, issue, improvement, status, whether it is closed status, in progress, open, reopen, resolve, assigned to whom it is assigned. And then if you want more, you can create more issues or else more things. Understood? Understood everyone? Yes. Now I'll give the status as bug, type as bug. Then I'll go to issues as closed or open issues. Yes. So observe everyone here. Everyone observe. So now, okay. So now this is how we'll be giving. Now, how many defects are there here? Now, how many defects are there here? How many defects are there here? 291. 291. Now I'll apply. Now I'll apply bug. I'll apply hot bug. Yes. Now how many are there? Now how many are there? 283. Now I'll apply status as open. Open. Yes. How many are there? 236. I'll change the status. Closed. 259. Or else I'll change it to in progress. Yes. So now when I give it as a closed status, how many are there? 23. Understood? So this is how we'll be searching for the difference. Understood? So this is how we'll be searching for advanced searches. Clear everyone? Don't you think this is easy? Don't you think this is easy? Yes. So you will be applying filters one by one. So now what I will do is just to take these credentials, log into this application and start practicing this searching for duplicates. Take the credentials and start practicing for searching duplicates. Everyone, please take the credentials first. I'll share it in broadcast also. Yes, I'll repeat once again, don't worry. I'll repeat it before just take the credentials. Yes, Jira URL I've given you. Just take Abhilasha, just take the credentials, then I'll repeat off. Everyone, please take the credentials. Yes, Jira, this is a URL. Please enter the URL. If you enter correct URL, it will automatically take you to login page. Enter this correct what is this username, then it will give you a place to enter the password. Then enter this password, it will take you to home page. Jira is free to use. You can use this one. This is a server version what we are using in our company. So the same thing just going to give you. That means you have entered something wrong. Just check. Just check. How many people have logged in? How many people have logged in? Home page is displaying for how many people? Yes. See guys, in this session I gave credentials for everyone. For some people, they have already displayed homepage and they are logging in the defects also. That means you have entered something wrong. Just check it out. You should enter the correct credentials. If you miss one word also, it will not display. Just check it out. Santosh Vijay, I'll tell you. Hacha, the overall status I give it as failed. For my reference, I give it as retest. Why? Because I need to retest that one. No? Yamuna, I've already sent it is on screen also. Just check. Guys, everyone open the browser, enter this URL product.atlassian.net, and then you will get a login page. Enter this username, then click on proceed. Then it will get this particular thing. What is not there, Yamuna? Here it is there now on the screen. Yamuna, can you see in the screen? Product.atlassian.net. Enter this one only.